All right, in this video, we're going to be learning about slope, the slope of a line. So if I were to ask you, what is the slope of this line? You would have to tell me. What is the slope of that line? You would have to tell me. Okay, what is the slope? The slope is a fraction, okay? The slope is a fraction. Okay? And what is the fraction? The fraction is slope equals rise over run. And here's a little cheesy saying for you that will help you remember. Slope, or finding the slope, is easy and fun. Just remember rise over run. Finding the slope is easy and fun. Just remember rise over run. Okay, so the cheesier the better. That way it sticks in your mind so that you don't forget it. Now, let's look to find the slope of this one right here. This first one. So we'll zoom in on it. Actually, we'll keep that rise over run in mind. So when we're looking at this line, we need to be able to know what the rise and the run is. How do we find the rise and the run? Well, we're going to have to start by drawing a right triangle. And this right triangle is going to be under this line, meaning in this area right here, under the line, not over the line, but under the line. And we're going to use the 2 points that are given right here. We have -1, -3. And then we have 5, 0. Those are our 2 points. We're going to draw a right triangle underneath this line. And so here's what our right triangle is going to look like. It's going to go from the first point. We're always going to start from the left and go right. From the left and go right. So starting right here, we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's 6 units to the right. Okay, that is our run. The run is the left or right distance. Actually, it's going to always be right, but yes, the horizontal distance, that is the run. The run equals 6, +6. The rise is going to go up from here to finish our right triangle. 1, 2, 3, up. So the rise is 3. Okay, so the slope of this line is rise over run, which is 3 over that 6 right there. This reduces to 1/2, and that's something you always want to make sure you do, is reduce the fraction, okay? Reduce the fraction. Now, I'm sorry I kind of got into this other problem over here, but the slope of this line is 1/2. Let's go to the next one. Okay, see if you can, actually I'm going to explain this one. Okay, so again, we're always starting from the left over here and going right that way. Okay, so this is our point we're going to start with, because we're going to draw this right triangle underneath the line. Okay, so let's start by doing that. Let's go down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so we're going down 6. Remember, up and down distance, that's our rise. So our rise went down 6. So that means our rise is negative. It's -6. Sorry, this is so chunky there. Okay, rise equals -6. The rise can be negative. Okay, moving on. Now we finish our right triangle. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to the right. And so our run is +5. All right, so our slope is the rise over run. So that means our rise is the -6. So that goes right there. Over the run of +5, that goes right there. So our slope is a negative. It's a negative slope, -6 over 5, or just a -6/5. So you can just write it like that. That's how you find the slope. Easy and fun, rise over run. Now you have 2 other types of situations here. One is where the line is horizontal, or the line is vertical. 2 more situations. Now here's what you just need to memorize, okay? Whenever you have a horizontal line, drum roll, it is a zero slope, okay? It is a zero slope. Okay, like on a treadmill, you don't have any incline, you don't have any decline, you're just walking straight if you've ever been on a treadmill before. Okay, you could also think of that as the stock market. If it's going up, it's positive. If it's going down, it's you're losing money and it's negative. And if it's just flatlining and zero, you're not making or losing money. You're making zero money. Okay. Now, so that's zero slope. But what about a vertical line? Well, we have a special name for this. A special name for this. It's called undefined. So the slope is undefined. So just to reiterate there at the very end, we have a horizontal line. That is a zero slope. Zero slope, or you could write the number zero, that's fine too. If you have a vertical line, that is an undefined slope. And those are the 4 different types of slopes that you will find.